Now we are going to discuss about halogen derivatives. Halogen derivatives is the part of organic chemistry. Before studying halogen derivatives, we discuss some basic ideas of organic compounds. So first one is carbon compound. Carbon compound form with carbon and other element like hydrogen, oxygen, halogen, etc. Next one is hydrocarbon. It is main parent family of organic compound, that is hydrocarbon. The hydrocarbon is made up of carbon and hydrogen atom together. Hydrocarbons are further aliphatic and aromatic compound. In last year, we have already learned about aliphatic and aromatic compound. In short, we see aliphatic compound is it may be saturated or unsaturated. Saturated are those compound it contains carbon-carbon single bond, and unsaturated are those compound it contains carbon-carbon multiple bond. It is other than organic compound, non-cyclic, or it is branch or straight chain compound are called as aliphatic compound. Aromatic compounds is it is cyclic compound. It has a special order, that is all compound has a order. For example, benzene. Benzene is the parent member of aromatic compound. Next, our topic is halogen derivatives of hydrocarbon. Halogen derivatives are those compound in which replacement of hydrogen atoms from aliphatic and aromatic compound with halogen atom is called as halogen derivatives. Then next topic is classification of halogen derivatives. हॅलोजन डेरिव्हेटिव्स आर क्लासिफाईड इन टू वेज. आता या ठिकाणी आपण एक सिंपल असा चार्ट त्याचा तयार केलेला आहे, जो आपल्याला आपल्या अभ्यासामध्ये किंवा आपण ज्यावेळेस अभ्यास करू त्यावेळेस तो आपल्याला चांगल्या प्रकारे मदत करेल, किंवा आपला जो अभ्यासक्रम आहे तो आपल्या चांगल्या प्रकारे लक्षात राहू शकतो. सो हॅलोजन डेरिव्हेटिव्स आर क्लासिफाईड इन टू टू वेज ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ carbon skeleton to which halogen atom is bonded. Other is on the basis of number of halogen atom present in the compound. On the basis of carbon skeleton to which halogen atom is bonded, halogen derivatives are classified into four types. Haloalkanes, that is for example CH3 CH2X. Haloalkanes CH2 double bond CHX. Haloalkynes CH triple bond CX, and haloarenes benzene ring to attach the halogen atom X. Next is on the basis of number of halogen atom attached to the hydrocarbons. So it is classified into three classes: monohalogen derivatives, dihalogen derivatives, and trihalogen derivatives or polyhalogen derivative. Monohalogen means only one hydrogen atoms of hydrocarbon is replaced by one halogen atom, for example CH3 CH2X. In dihalogen derivatives, two hydrogen atoms are replaced, for example CH3 CHXX. In trihalogen derivatives or polyhalogen derivatives, more than two hydrogen atoms is replaced by the same number of halogen atom, for example CH2X, CHX, CH2X. Then next topic is classification of monohalogen derivatives. Monohalogen derivatives are classified on the basis of position of halogen atoms and types of हायब्रिडायझेशन ऑफ कार्बन ॲटम. या ठिकाणी सुद्धा आपण एक चार्ट काढलेला आहे. याच्यामध्ये आपण क्लिअर असं दाखवलेलं आहे की मोनो हॅलोजन डेरिव्हेटिव्ह कशा प्रकारे क्लासिफाईड केलेलं आहे ते. या ठिकाणी याचे 6 टाईप आहे, 6 टाईप्स. फर्स्ट वन इज अल्किल हलाइड्स और हॅलो अल्केन्स which is further classified primary halide, secondary halide and tertiary halide. Second one is allylic halide, third is benzylic halide, fourth is phenylic halide, fifth is haloalkynes and last is aryl halides or haloaryls. First one is alkyl halides, or it is also called as haloalkanes. Haloalkanes. Halogen atom is bonded to sp3 hybridized carbon atom. Alkyl halide further classified into primary halide, secondary halide, tertiary halides. Depends upon substitution state of carbon atom. If halogen atom is attached to primary carbon atom, it is called as primary halides. If it is attached to secondary carbon atom, it is called as secondary halide. If halogen atom is attached to tertiary carbon atom, it is called as tertiary halides. Next is allylic halides. Halogen atom is bonded to sp2 sp3 hybridized carbon atom next to the carbon carbon double bond. या ठिकाणी सुद्धा हॅलोजन ॲटम हा sp3 कार्बन ॲटमला अटॅच आहे. sp3 आणि नेक्स्ट टू द कार्बन कार्बन double bond. That carbon atom is called as allylic carbon. Next class is benzylic halide. In this, halogen atom is bonded to sp3 hybridized carbon atom which is further bonded to an aromatic ring. That is, halogen atom is directly attached to the benzylic carbon atom. Benzylic carbon atoms are those carbon atom which is next to the benzene ring. Next one is phenylic halide. Halogen atom is bonded to sp2 hybridized carbon atom of aliphatic chain, that is phenylic halides, or is also called as haloalkanes. Carbon atom is attached to carbon carbon double bonded carbon atom, that is sp2 hybridized carbon atom is called as phenylic halide. For example, CH2 double bond CH X. या ठिकाणी X ॲटम हे डायरेक्टली डबल बॉन्डेड कार्बन ॲटमला अटॅच असल्यामुळे याला व्हिनिलिक कार्बन म्हणतात आणि जो हलाइड्स आपल्याला मिळाला त्याला म्हणतात व्हिनिलिक हलाइड्स. नेक्स्ट इज हॅलोअल्काइन्स. व्हेन halogen atom is bonded to a sp hybridized carbon atom, it is haloalkanes. So halogen atom is attached to the sp hybridized carbon atom, that is carbon carbon triple bond carbon atom ला X हा अटॅच असतो. For example, CH triple bond CX. Next one is aryl halides or haloaryls. Halogen atoms directly bonded to the sp2 hybridized carbon atom of aromatic ring, that is benzene ring. All the carbon atoms of benzene rings are sp2 hybridized and the halogen atoms is directly attached to benzene ring is called as aryl halides or haloaryls. For example, benzene ring त्याला attach X. तर या ठिकाणी आपलं classification of monohalogen derivatives are finished.